Hello guys, welcome back. Guys, in today's video I will be showing you a legit website or a legit way of earning money online. Yes guys, if you're watching this video, it means you want to earn money with your phone online or with your laptop. With this video today, or with this site I will be showing today, you can be able to earn money online with your phone, Android or iPhone or any kind of phone, as far uh, it is a device that you can access online. So guys, you can also try it on your laptop and other devices. So it is a very simple site. This website, you can use it to earn money online by just watching videos online. Yes, and then you can be able to cash out anytime you want. And then guys, watch the full video for better understanding, as I will be showing you step by step and all the settings required or everything required to be able to earn money online. So guys, this is the website. So the website is very simple. So guys, as you can see, it says $2 is a reward platform where you can take part in watch paid videos, online surveys, install apps, complete tasks, watch ad, etc. in your free time and turn it to money. Yes, you can actually turn your free time to money using this site. So guys, as you can see, we already have more than 100,000 registered users, and then 5 million total cash paid, $5 million uh, total cash paid, and then 10,000 videos already, 100 million videos views. So guys, I will be showing you how you can do that. So what we're going to be doing, I'll be dropping the link on the description or the comment section on this video. Yes, so in order to do that, you just have to, once you click on the link, you click on get started. Once you click on the link, you click on get started. So you wait for it to load. I've already cashed out with this app. Yes, I've already cashed out. So I will be showing you how you can do that and how you can be able to cash out also using this particular site. So guys, it will be opening up like this. So what we're going to be doing is very simple. The first thing to do is to insert your name, and then you input your email. So I will be using any email. So guys, you insert your email like this, and then you insert your password. So guys, let me quickly insert my password. So once you insert your password, you confirm your password, then you click on agree. I have read and accept the terms and conditions. So you click on loading. So guys, as you can see, you click on create account, and guys, it's already loading. It takes just few seconds to do that if you have network connection. So guys, here, all right guys, our account has been created. So once you open account, you'll be given $5. Yes, you'll be given $5. So how do we earn money with this platform? This is very simple. What we're going to be doing, so this actual video will give you $0.93. This video will give you $0.93. So guys, what you're going to be doing, you just have to click on watch video. So this video, just all the videos on this platform are just 35 seconds. Way to demonstrate. Yes, all the videos on this platform are just 35 seconds. Not any video that is more than 35 seconds. So guys, it's very simple. No any video that is more than 35 seconds. So guys, as you can see, it's already playing. And then these are the rules. Do not close or minimize this window. If you close or minimize it, you will lose your earnings. So it is very important, once you start watching like this, is recommended that you don't minimize or you close this window until the video has finished, which is just 35 seconds. And then guys, as you can see, we have already earned with this one. So let's cancel and see. And guys, as you can see, our earning has been increased. It has been increased from $5 to $5.93. Now there are other things to do again. Let's click on this icon at the top left hand side. So we have referral bonus. Yes, of course, you can earn very fast once you refer people. You earn even more faster once you refer people. Now let's see how much you can be able to get once you refer just one person, and then I'll show you the minimum withdrawal on this website, which is not much. Yes, it is something you can actually get even within 24 hours using this website. The referral program work on this side. So you get $5 per referral. So guys, as you can see, you just copy your link from here. Each referral you refer, the person also get $5, and you get $5. So imagine you can be able to get up to 10 to 15 people, then you can be able to easily withdraw from this particular site. So guys, this is how this actually works here. So I know you must be asking yourself, how do we withdraw with this site? Just click on the three dot icon by the top left hand side again. So you click on payment. You click on payment like this. So I want to show you now how you can withdraw and how much you can be able to withdraw on this app. So guys, as you can see here, we have many withdrawal method. We have PayPal, we have Cash App, we have Paytm, we have bank transfer. So you can easily use this bank transfer. If you are watching this video from Nigeria, you can easily use this bank transfer. Now you just have to insert your bank details. You insert your name, then you insert your account number, and here you insert the SWIFT code. Now I know you'll be asking yourself, what is SWIFT code? Now for instance, if you're using GT Bank or First Bank, just go to Google and search SWIFT code for First Bank. That's what you search. Then you can be able to get it from there. Then you paste it here, and then you click on submit, and then the minimum withdrawal is $100. Yes, the minimum withdrawal is $100. So guys, this is how it works. Please, it's very, very important you give it a try. So in my next video, I'll be showing you another withdrawal proof on this site with the one I did in my second account. I'll be showing you my withdrawal my withdrawal method, or how I was able to withdraw. So guys, thanks for watching. If you have any question, drop a comment on the comment section. Don't forget, I will be dropping the link on the description or the first comment box on this video. See you on our next update. Bye bye.